What's up, everybody? We're back again with another video. And so today we about to make jambalaya. But before I get to that, I just want to give you a little heads up. The next few videos I'm going to do, you know what I'm saying, I'm going to go to the gym, kind of working out a little bit. So next part, like 4 or 5 videos, I'm going to do something called 5 delicious healthy meals and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? In this case, if you want like lose weight or eat something kind of like low carb and stuff like that, I got y'all. So like next 5 videos after this, stay tuned for that, stuff like that. So let's go get past that. So let me tell you what we're gonna be making for this jambalaya. All right, so for this jambalaya, we're gonna need some smoked sausage, some red onions, peppers, and green peppers, shrimp, jasmine rice, stock, tomatoes, celery, garlic, and green peppers. Green onions, my fault, and Cajun spice. So let's go get to it, y'all. Welcome back and stuff like that, everybody. So one thing I gotta do over here, which y'all is like cut up the sausage, and like kind of like not really doing like too thick, but thick enough and stuff like that, and put it in an iron skillet. Either you put it in a cast iron skillet or in a different type of pan. It doesn't really matter. This one at least enough to hold up everything. So once you get done cooking up your sausage, you're gonna take the sausage out, but let the fat stay in there and let it render. Then show them we have to get doing everything. Let's get to it. Welcome back, everybody, stuff like that. So all I had to do was I had to cook up my sausage a little bit. That's all you're looking for right there. And so basically, only thing you really have to do after this step right here is get the sausage out and leave all the fat in there, because that's gonna be for your vegetables and whatnot. Only thing you gotta do now is throw a little bit of garlic in there, your green onions, your red peppers, onions, and green and red peppers, and some celery, and just toss it all in that fat right there. Basically, you're gonna like keep it in there. Basically the same deal, but the only thing you're really doing is like letting the vegetables basically soften up a little bit. You feel me? So if it's still not enough fat in there, you can always add a little bit more olive oil to it, but I should be straight. So let's go ahead and do this, and so when we get done, get to it, y'all. Alright, everybody, welcome back to stuff like that. So basically, this is what you do looking for. Like, you want your vegetables and stuff all like soften up. So when it's looking like this, that's when you go ahead and add your tomatoes. Like so. Then you also want to add your rice to it. So let me just start this in real quick. Like this. And then you go ahead and add your rice to it. Like this. Once you add your rice, make sure you stir everything in there. Like so. And once you stir everything in, you can add your stock to it. And once you add your stock, you can add your shrimp, and then you can add your sausage to it, and basically be done. So show when everything is ready, y'all. Let's get to it. Alright, y'all, welcome back to stuff like that. So basically we all done and everything. This is this bad boy looking like, you know what I'm saying? Jambalaya! Sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. But yeah, you know, I got a little hype because I'm hungry. I ain't eating nothing all day, so I'm gonna eat this thing. By the way, some of y'all might be mad, some of y'all be like, oh yeah, I do that too. But me, when I eat jambalaya, I put a little bit of cheese on top of my food, but you know what I'm saying, don't judge it. I didn't do it with this, but I'm gonna do it after I take a second bite. Bro, that joint is fire, son. That joint straight fire, yo. Hold on, let's put some cheese on that joint too. That thing good, yo. Hold on. Yo, that thing good, boy. That thing good, son. That thing good, yo. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. You know what I'm saying? If you're new, go hit that like bell button, whatever. I don't know what it's called, but yeah. You know what I'm saying? So we're taking the next video. So see y'all to the next video, y'all.
Alright, I'm ready.
You don't know about this one though.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Ugly as fuck. I've been working on that one.
I was working on that one though.
Oh shit. I got the rocks with the hits, the label legit. You know a nigga still hungry. I'm from the 9 at the 6, I gotta commit, but I ain't got it tatted on me. I'm about to pop and I ain't even rich, I'm a beast on the top and you niggas is lonely. I got them pissed, tell me your wish, man you niggas mad phony. Vibes on another level, niggas slipping on me. Soulja Boy tell him I was in the room, making beats, tell him sweeping nigga broom, niggas mad jealous. Stepping outside, I was in my bag, born with the gold, now I got the rags. Now a nigga cold, heat up real fast, bumping like bows, 100 on the dash.
Let it fade, don't let it harm me. Meditate.